What do you think? Straight swap? Yeah, I've been using Gumtree for ages. Like, I've never actually bought anything, but it's just like a really great way to make friends. Hey, mate. Hey, how you going? Yeah.
That's got half, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Honestly, Gumtree's so much better than Facebook because people actually have to meet you in person before they can block you.
Look, mate, either buy the car or stop wasting my time.
I thought you just wanted to hang out.
Like, I used to send so many friend requests, but now I just pretend I've got enough money to buy a car. And then they come every time.
I've got somewhere to be.
Oh, can I come? But get this right, you'll never believe it. This guy Nick's put out an ad on Gumtree looking for men to hang out with. What are the chances?
Hey Taylor, I'm Nick. Good to finally meet you.
Yeah, thanks for all your messages. We've been messaging for a few days and he is really friendly.
I really like your singlet. That's a beauty. Do you work out?
Oh, just no power steering, so. Nick said he doesn't really use Gumtree to make friends. He uses like this other app. Apparently he has guys messaging him on it all the time. I'm definitely gonna have to download it when I get home.
So, should we go for a drive?
Yeah, definitely. Oh, actually, is it all right if he comes?
Yeah. Why not? What's with the camera?
Oh, he always films it.
So when did you come out?
Oh, about 8 o'clock.
Wow. So am I the first guy you've seen?
I met up with heaps of guys earlier.
Jeez, you're a fast mover. Do you want to come back to my house?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you should really think about getting a couple of spoilers. Actually, I could help you if you... Aren't you coming?
No, I think I'll wait here.
Your loss. Yeah, honestly, we'll go to Supercheap after this. I'm pretty sure they're open to past 11.
Maybe we can go after.
After what?
What'd I do? Do you need a lift?
Yeah, tonight was alright, but I definitely didn't see that coming. Like, Nick's a nice guy, but he just needs to be clear about what he wants, I reckon. I mean, it's just not fair. You just can't use Gumtree and waste people's time like that. Next time, I'm definitely using eBay.
I like the beat when it goes off.
Yeah, so there's a car, $5,000. Tonight only, take it or leave it.
I'm really sorry. I don't have that much money.
$2,000.